UMP kasing Congress na Megalaya uma Vincent H. Pala ulo ang bahaga bayday bagi jingtung thamayo President ke MPCC ansara ay kijing ajing mo jambaro ke MLA kasing siya ka High Command barkar ka ba ke Aicc karay kanlong ka bakado.
The views of the MLAs will be carried over to the High Command through the in charge. So whatever the Aicc takes a decision, I think I welcome the decision. But to clarify this is that it's not that the term of the president is over. Normally, when a president is appointed, so it depends on the circumstances. If he resigns himself, then it's over. Otherwise, we don't have election. So his term will continue until unless further order.
Palaw la kren chai ru ba anom ai lat yanu nur ban pin bori kren ba ka sarkar pedeng halor ki benta ki bambahana ka benta ki pajba barha ka be de ber ki issue ILP ulong ba ya ka ILP haban pin be namar om de ban perkhat tangi ka jiada but e no shadien pat e kalat yo kam yo jam.
I think ILP has to be modified ILP. Not only in flux. You see, you should not only think about protective. You should also think about, you should also get employed. Now, in every family, there's an educated man nowadays. But you have to look after employee. I being MP, sometimes I feel very bad because people are not employed. We as a leader, we should also see what is the benefits of the people. If the pressure is for the benefits of people, definitely we have no problem. We'll go along with it. But if the pressure is for something, you see, one thing we should realize that in the present generation, number one, we need indigenous people to be protected. Congress is always in protection of indigenous, be it from Iraq and be it from Rajiv Ji, be in the last year. Six will come during the Congress. All institutions, big institutions come during the Congress. So Congress is, with no doubt, the stand of Congress will be in the CAA. Stand is to protect the people, number one. Number two, we have also to look into the circumstances. For example, coal is no more, and then even limestone is restricted. So the livelihood of people, the employment will be based on the tourism. So whatever we do, we should not affect the employment. Whatever we do, we should not affect the tourism. So I keep on saying that my views is something, your views something, different people has a different views. But overall we'll see. But I don't appreciate by going by the pressure of certain, because the mandate, we are in democracy, we have to see also the mandate, not only to the pressure. Pressure, 10 people can create a pressure. But I don't think, I personally don't succumb to the pressure of anything. If it is for, it is not for the good of the people.